Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT GTR 3 and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the iPhone. First thing we need to do is to turn on our watch. And you can turn it on by pressing and holding the upper button. Keep holding it until you see the AMAZFIT logo on the screen. Once you see the logo, you can release the button and wait until the watch turns on. After the watch turns on, you will see the list of languages on the screen. You can scroll through this list by swiping up and down on the screen. Now find the language you would like to use on your watch and tap on it to select it. And once you select the language, you will need to download and install the Zepp application on your iPhone. So make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled. Once you do, open the App Store on your iPhone. In the App Store, tap on Search, then tap on Search bar and type in Zepp. And tap on the search button. Find the application on the list. Looks like this, Zepp app with this icon. Tap on it, then tap on the Get button to download and install the application. And once the application is done installing, you can tap on the Open button to open it. After the application opens, you may get a couple of pop-ups about the permissions. For example, here we have the location permission. If you want to track activities like running, cycling and stuff like that, you need to allow this permission. If you don't care, you can deny it. Next, we have the Bluetooth permission. This one is required, so tap on OK. And then we have the permission to track your activity across other companies. If you want to allow it, you can tap on Allow. I'm just going to tap on Ask Not to Track. And now we need to log in into a Zepp account. If you don't have an account, tap on Sign Up or use the third-party account login. I already have an account, so I'm gonna tap right here, enter the email address and password. And then we can tap on Sign In to log in. After you log in, you probably will see more pop-ups about the permissions, for example, access to motion and fitness activity. If you want to allow it, allow it. If you don't care, you can deny it. And here we have the notification access. So basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on the watch, you need to allow this permission. If you don't care, you can deny it. Then tap on OK right here. And here we can allow the app to write and read data from features like heart rate, steps and stuff like that. Customize it to your liking by enabling and disabling the permissions. And then you can tap on Don't Allow or Allow if you want to. I'm just gonna tap on Turn On All and tap on Allow. Okay, and once you're done with the permissions, you will see the homepage of the application. Now tap on the profile icon, tap on Add Device, select the watch category, tap on Agree, tap on OK, and it will open the camera app on your iPhone. Basically what you need to do is to point the camera of your iPhone on the watch to scan the QR code. So let's point the camera like this. It's gonna start connecting the devices. Confirm the pairing on the watch. Tap on Pair. And here we can synchronize the data from our account. So basically, if you have some data saved on your account, you can sync it to your watch if you want to, and you can select different types of data to sync. I'm just gonna tap on Set as New Device. Then tap on Done. Tap on Done. And once you're done, you should see the device page for your AMAZFIT GTR 3. And that means that the devices are paired together. And that's how you pair this watch with the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.